I show you a hack how to get GPT Plus today, even if it's closed. With this hack, you can skip the waiting list. I tried it, it works. And to get GPT Plus, what millions of people are desperately waiting for. So let's jump in. I show you how I did it. And the link you need, you find in the description, but don't simply click this link. We need it at a special point of time. It's no affiliate link or any bullshit. You can simply use it. I am already a user of a GPT Plus account. And so I created a new account in an incognito tab. And we have to go inside GPT now. If you do not have an account, just create it, go through this registration procedure as usual. If you did so, you will find this mask. And if you go here to upgrade to Plus, you get this message here and go to waiting list. And it's grayed out here because I clicked it already. But now we use the link. You have to be in your account and then you insert this link, which you find in the description. Simply insert this and click enter, and then you come directly to this checkout page. I couldn't try the rest of the procedure because I used my credit card already for my standard account. So please test it and be quick, because I'm sure this hack will be made impossible by OpenAI very soon. But please try it and give me feedback in the comments if it worked. And if you like that hack, please do me a favor and subscribe this channel so that I can create more of this content in future. All the best, your Thomas Ruschka.